Hi friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel Education and Research. My name is Ankur Agarwal and I'm coming back to again my YouTube channel Education and Research. Please like, share and subscribe. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the person who is actually required these videos. This is an informative channel and I hope you will get motivated as well as inspired with the most fruitful information of the government in the various schemes and services which I am delivering with the help of this video content. Let's come to the particular today's we will discuss about for the website which has been launched by the government of India is ePathshala.nic.in. It's just you have to just type on the Google, or you can search on the Google, or maybe you can note down that particular link. I have already added this link under the comment below. Right, so let's start what is all about for the ePathshala content and how you will get a benefit of these particular initiative of the government. Let's start. Once you are just landed in that particular main page, you can see that these are the few menus are here, which home, about us, ePathshala's access, search, QR code and contacts. Let's come to the about so that you can have a basic idea about it. So the NCERT, because NCERT is the National Council of Education Research, an autonomous organization which they have set up for the ePathshala, and it's a mobile application where you can access the various books, libraries and podcasts and multiple things. And this ePathshala is used for the student, teachers, educator, or any one of them. The e-textbooks of the NCERTs and various supplementary books is also there. What the events are there happening in India, and what kind of workshops, exhibitions, contests, festivals. You can have a event calendar in this particular applications. Along with you can access for the various resources, let's say electronic resources, which is an interactive images, maps, questions, banks, etc. Here you can also have a guideline which is development of the e-content. So let's start one by one, and for the student prospects, what kind of the textbooks are there. So these are the textbooks for classes from first class to class 12th. You can, and any kind of subjects. Let's take an example of the class 4. You select for the particular English and select for the book title, Marigold, click go. These are the books are easily accessible in your mobile application ePathshala.in, and also you can have this chapter you can read directly on the web content on your desktop. So maybe it takes little time, but I'm sure about that. It's a downloadable content as well, and this is the book which you can read and learn, and it is a very interactive mode which you can read the content of any kind of books from class 1 to class 12 which published by the NCERT. So I'm coming back to the another content, right? So just give me 1 minute please. So these are the books. You can access any books which is the NCERT. And again coming back to the section of the teachers, and here is the teacher section. E-textbook, the teacher access the digital textbooks, e-resource, participate in the exhibitions and the festival contents and events. As well as for the teacher instructions, you can read for the teacher instructions once they are preparing for any kind of resources for their students. So these are the guideline of NCERT. They need to follow on these things. And if you are the teacher, please read these guidelines of NCERT, and according to you can prepare the content for your students. So it's a learning outcome to have the children. This is the interactive platform where you can make the video as well as for the books content which whatever you want. So this is a learning outcome of the various stages. You can access this thing here, right? I hope it can be useful for you. So please read these things properly, and accordingly you can prepare for the content to your students. Let's coming back to the e-resources. So here is the e-resources as well. All are the, here you can see for the particular videos for 1 to the line Ginti, and the dialogue of history 4, dialogue of history 5, a dialogue with history 6. You can have access this video content. Just you can visit that particular video content, and so please
I think I'm doing just all right, considering the fact that I've just started.
Well,
so please visit these contents, and these contents might be useful to you. So this is the sections for the teachers as well, and it have you can select for the language, you can select the type here. Let's select for the video, and select for the language English, select for the level primary, pre-primary, upper primary, secondary, senior secondary, tertiary, primary, upper primary. Let's select for this thing. So here is the videos that you can access it. Right, so my friends, I hope that you will like this
hello friends.
video.
Now that you are well aware of the mathematics kit, let us see how these different items may be used to perform the various activities. You are all very well aware of counting numbers. They are all.
So my friends, I hope so these videos you like a lot, because this might be little informative, but definitely it is very useful for the teachers and the students. So they have a curriculum resources is also there, periodicals and the journals is there. You can just access to the journals once you click on the particular link, and these are the journals, and you please review. If you have a time, then you can have a good information of it. Let's come to the another sections of this particular ePathshala. This is the another sections for the educators. So the educators have their own e-textbooks as well, and so you can access these e-books. Same kind of e-books are available for the students, and here you have also for the curricular resources. So these are the curricular NCERT 2005, 2075. So you can access these papers as well, right? So and same kind of the e-resources are also available, so you can access these e-resources. And coming back to the parent section is also most important. So these kind of the e-books for the parents as well, they can read these books if they have a time. And I hope so friends, these are the accessible resources. Now coming back to the QR code, if you have a QR code link, you can just scan it here, and you can access these books. So this is the method that how you can access this mobile application, or if you have a mobile application, you can access the QR code of the hard copy. You can have an e-copy also there. Thank you so much everyone. I hope you like these videos. Please stay tuned of my YouTube channel Education and Research, and if you have any comment, please comment below in my video. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.